Welcome back for part 2 of our moon activities. So now what we're going to do is make moon sand. If you want to make it in a big batch, I'll give you that recipe and then you can play with it outside in a big bin or a big pan or a big tub. I'm just going to make a little individual batch right here to show you how to do it. The big batch recipe is 8 cups of flour to about 1 cup of oil. You can use vegetable or baby oil. If you have baby oil, it just smells a little bit better. If not, vegetable oil works. The individual recipe that we're going to make is we're splitting it into 8. So we're going to do 1 cup of flour and then 1/8 of a cup or 2 tablespoons full of oil. So we will go ahead and start with our flour. 1 cup of flour. And then 1/8 of a cup of oil. And you can use a spoon. I'm actually going to use, this is my potato masher. You can just use that to get all of the oil mixed in. And it'll take a couple of minutes to get it all mixed in so that there's no clumps. When you see clumps appearing, you just want to work in the dry flour. Here is our kinetic sand, and you can see that you can easily make a ball that breaks apart. If you have sand toys or measuring cups or even cookie cutters, it's just a lot of fun for kids to play with. Again, it really doesn't have anything to do with the moon. It's just called moon sand. It's do-it-yourself kinetic sand, a lot cheaper than the sand you can buy in the store. And again, if you have a big box or bin outside, you can definitely make it in large bulk batches. When you're finished, I always have the kids just wash their hands because it is a little bit oily. It's actually not too bad, but it's always a good idea to just have them wash their hands when they're done playing. So I hope that you have enjoyed all of our moon activities and that you keep having a good time with your moon sand, and I will see you tomorrow.